Hey guys, want to turn your PDF into a shareable link that opens instantly, no downloads, no attachments? Well, in this video, I'm telling you how to convert any PDF into a smart clickable link. So firstly guys, I'm going to show you this in a popular cloud service and cloud storage in basically Google Drive. So guys, as you can see, this is my PDF file. It has multiple sections, multiple contents. It's just a user guide from some kind of service. I don't really remember. But in general, guys, you just need to go ahead and upload this, basically your PDF that you wish to share as a openable PDF to read it and view it at once, basically instantly. You need to, of course, upload it first into your Google Drive. As you can see, I just created my test folder and uploaded this file. And in order to open it, you just double click it. And as you can see, you can view it instantly. As you can see, you can browse different pages, 61 for example, press, and it's going to, as you can see, go to the 60th page. You can also zoom in or zoom out, very handy. And of course, if you want to share this document with others, you just click on this button on share. And in here, as you can see, you choose the general access. It's going to be anyone with the link. Okay, and then just press on done. So this is very easy. And you can also close it if you want, make it restricted once again. And this is how it's done. And to share it, just press on copy the link, then done, and then share the link anywhere you desire. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, of course, press like on the video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to not miss new uploads. See you soon.